So our drones are basically, enterprise grade. So we work on specific problems of our clients and design the drones from scratch. We don't offer off-the-shelf drones to the clients. So please can you move on to the next slide? This is not working. Yeah, okay. So this is one platform which we offer multiple solutions from it. So like security surveillance, surveying mapping, then warehouse management, drone delivery. All the solutions are offered using one platform. So we have made one platform to offer all these services. Can you move to the next slide? Next slide, please. Yeah. So the current scenario, the current drones which are off the shelf, like DJI, they have very limited operational range. The information is not shared in the real time. The drone has to come back, and then the information is either plugged in or via pen drive or some other means. Then the human input is required. So pilot has to fly the drone, and the information which is collected is not mapped automatically onto the Google Maps. So that is what we have solved. So our system is BV loss. So Ashish, you must be aware about this system. BV loss is beyond visual line of sight. So in this system, basically, we have unlimited range of operational range. Like we use 5G and 4G connectivity. Our drones are always connected to the cloud. Then real-time data sharing. Please move to the previous slide. Yeah. So real-time data sharing is done. So because we are connected to the cloud, so data is already shared to, and the drone is on autopilot mode. So there is no pilot required for the operation, and the situational awareness, as I told you, is already done by the drone. Next slide. So yeah, if we talk about the market opportunity, by 2025, the CAGR of 10.4%. The number is 74.6 billion, but this is wrong. It is more than 100 billion. It is just updated recently. And if we acquire 0.05% of the market share, we would be doing a business of about $1.2 million. So this is the workflow. The drone goes to the asset, does the inspection, sends it to the cloud. All the processing happens in the cloud, and then it is sent to the dashboard in the ease of the